Thank you very much for the invitation and the possibility to
This is your first visit?
Yes, official.
I'm glad to see you. Well, Prime Minister, it's good to see you in Jerusalem. Welcome. I think it's safe to say that we have an extraordinary history together and I think a very bright future together. The history of the relationship between the people of Lithuania and the Jewish people dates back 1,000 years. My own family hails from Lithuania. My grandfather was born in Lithuania. The Jewish community in Lithuania, and especially around Vilnius, had remarkable achievements, spectacular intellectual achievements. But of course, we also experienced the horrors of the Holocaust. And I think it's very important to preserve that memory and that heritage so that we may learn the lessons of the past and avoid repeating them in the future. We have today a thriving relationship. We're both thriving democracies, not without challenges, but with great successes. We have exchanges between us that are in the field of economy, the field of technology, the field of culture. I think we can do a great deal more. We are forging new paths in many technological areas, and most especially in cybersecurity. Last year, the global investments in cybersecurity in Israel were 10% of total worldwide investments. This year, they're 20%. It's doubled in 1 year. And every day, this morning too, we learn about new investments. So Israel is a world leader in cybersecurity, and I believe you also had some experience in that. I think that we have much to profit by cooperating with one another. I look forward to our conversations to that effect, and I welcome you in a great spirit of friendship to Jerusalem. Welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Gerbiamas ministrė pirmininkė, pirmiausia norėčiau padėkoti už galimybę susitikti ir padiskutuoti mūsų abiems šalims svarbiais klausimais.
Your Excellency, Prime Minister, I want to thank you for this warm welcome and for this great opportunity to visit your country and to discuss all the matters.
Lietuva Izraelio laiko kaip vienus strateginių partnerius, didžiausių partnerių šitame regione.
Lithuania considers Israel one of the most important partners and strategic partners in this region.
Ir Lietuva laiko Izraelį kaip partnerį visame pasaulyje, dalyvaujant netgi tarptautiniuose įvairiuose renginiuose, forumuose ir diskusijose.
Lithuania also considers Israel to be one of the most important partners at the global level that takes part in all international events and forums and so on.
Tiek kalbant apie jungtinės tautas, kur mūsų pozicija yra aiškiai išsakoma, svarstant svarbius klausimus tarptautinėme lygyje ir pasisakant ir palaikant Izraelio valstybę.
We also consider Israel a partner when we take part in the discussions of the United Nations, where we take a firm position in defending the matters that are important to Israel.
Šios dienos vizito tikslas yra pakalbėti apie ekonominį bendradarbiavimą ir plėtrą.
The goal of today's meeting is to discuss the opportunity of economic cooperation and development.
Ir noriu pasidžiaugti, praeitais metais užsienio prekyba išaugo labai stipriai lyginant su ankstesniais metais.
And I'm delighted that last year our trade with foreign countries increased twice.
We're both doubling our achievements all the time.
Ir kiek turiu informacijos jau šitų metų pirmą pusmetį, taip pat prekybos apimtis tik didėja.
And as far as I know, the scales of trading also is increasing in this year, in this first quarter.
Ir norėtųsi, kad būtų tarp Lietuvos ir Izraelio sukurta tarpvyriausybinė grupė, kuri galėtų spręsti dar glaudžiau klausimus einamuoju laikotarpiu.
And let me know that we would like to have an intergovernmental group between Lithuania and Israel in order to solve different important matters.
Mus labai domina, aišku, Izraelyje ir visame pasaulyje jų įgyvendinamos naujos technologijos, apie ką ir kalbėjo, kaip kibernetinis saugumas, lazeriai ir kitos naujos inovacijos, kurios sukuria pridedamąją naują vertę.
We are also very interested in all technologies and innovations that are developed and created by Israel, such as cybersecurity measures and lasers and other innovations that create a high added value.
Ir aš manau, kad šiandien bus galimybė pasikalbėti apie energetikos sektorių, kuris Lietuvoje yra labai stipriai reformuojamas, ir apie mūsų LNG terminalą.
And I hope that we will have an opportunity to discuss the energy sector and reforms that we are carrying out in the energy sector in Lithuania, as well as opportunities related to LNG.
Nes praeitie metai Lietuvoje energetinėme sektoriuje buvo istoriniai, nes Lietuva tapo energetiškai jau nepriklausoma valstybė, kada buvo įvestas LNG terminalas Klaipėdoje.
Last year was really special for Lithuania because Lithuania became independent from energy sources, and with the introduction of LNG terminal, now it's energy-wise independent.
Ir aš jau kitus klausimus palieksim.
And of course we will discuss other matters as well.
Look forward to it. Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you.